This is the homework video for 2/14/17. Happy Valentine's Day. You're doing page 22 in the Unit 5 homework packet number 3. This has a lot of questions, but they're very easy questions. Most of them you can answer with the graph without too much effort. Okay, so first it says you have to figure out which of the graphs is which store, and you're basing it on this information right here. Store A sells a cheese for $8 per pound. Store B sells it for B dollars, but always gives a coupon for money off. That's going to change the y-intercept from being 0, 0 to being less than 0, 0. And store C is an online store selling with the same cheese at C dollars per pound with a delivery fee. And so that's going to make the y-intercept greater than 0, 0. So then that means that this delivery fee one has to be store C, and that the one that has a y-intercept that you can tell if you continued this line out that would be less than 0 must be store B with the coupon, and the one that's L here is store A. L is store A. The next one is asking you to find out what the dollars per pound is for A, B, and C, and to do that you just have to find the slopes of the lines. I had a really hard time with this one right here, which is the one with the coupon off store B, but eventually I said that from here to about here is a rise of 10, and this is definitely a run of 2, so store B is $5 per pound. And then on this one right here, which is store A, the rise is 20 and the run is 5, 2, 4, 5, and so that's going to give you 20 divided by 5 is 4. And then on this one, I said that the rise was about 6 because it was definitely a little more than half, and the run is 2, and 6 divided by 2 gives you $3 per pound for store C. This one is asking you about how much can you get with the coupon off. And so if you look at this is about 1, and so I said you can get about, right here is telling you that at 0, at some amount of dollars, less than 1, maybe about a half, I don't know, a half, 0.4 or something, because this is 1, so this is maybe a half, you're going to get, it's going to cost you $0, so at about 0.5 pounds of cheese it's costing you $0, and so that's the answer to that question about the coupon. And then what's the delivery fee? The delivery fee is $10, because at 0 weight of cheese in pounds, you have to pay $10 for the delivery fee. And then if you're going to buy half a pound of cheese, which store should you use? Well, you should use the one with the coupon right here, because you're going to pay the less money for that. And then H, if you're going to buy 4 pounds of cheese and you don't need it for 2 weeks, which should you use? So if you go to 4, that's your input. Here, the output is the less money. I'd say it's about $16, and so that's going to be store A or graph L. And then if you don't have any wait time, you need the cheese tomorrow, should you change what store you're buying? And I said no, because this store L starts at 0 pounds of cheese, you pay $0, and it's still the cheapest, so it's not the online one, so it's still the same store that you're going to buy your cheese from, even if you need it tomorrow. And then if you're buying 10 pounds, who should you buy from? So if you go over here to 10 and you go up, you can see that graph J or Y have the lowest, and then that's store A and store C. So this is graph J and this is graph L. So those two stores have the lowest. And that was it for the homework. Have a good Valentine's Day. I'll see you tomorrow, Wednesday, There was no secret message other than have a great Valentine's Day. You can write that down. Have a great Valentine's Day is your secret message.